Hello. Today we are going to start with canoe boat. Canoe boat is a small fishing boat. So you'll take an origami paper. We have to use an origami paper. Don't use any other paper because the paper will tear when we are folding the boat inside out. First, we are finding the center of this paper. So we are folding it into half. Okay, from both the sides. So you get the center of your paper. Do the sharp edges so that you will get it point properly. After the center, we are folding all the corners to the center. This is the same fold what we had done for photo frame, chip chop, kandil. That is the first fold what we are doing. Okay. Once we have finished this, all the four corners, now you will turn the paper. Turn the paper now to the center. You are folding in horizontal way. So when you are folding in horizontal way, this flap opens. Okay, so that we have to fold it backward. See, this corners has to be sharp, proper, matching to proper edges. So it will look like this something. Now this flap we have to fold it backward. So we are turning it and we are folding it backward again, like this. Okay. Now this flap upward you have to take till this corner. How much you can open, that much you are opening and keeping it on both the sides. Okay. Now turn your paper. Now this triangle piece is there, that you have to fold it inside. All the triangle pieces. All the four triangles. Okay. Like this. We are folding it inside. Now as you fold, the paper gets thicker, the folding, this starts popping out. So you have to mark the edges properly. Now again this triangle you have to fold it into half towards the center line. So the paper becomes thick. Now here you will get a flap. When we are folding from the other side, this will be overlapping. No problem, but you have to fold it and make it tight. Similarly, this side also. See, I am holding all the flaps because otherwise it will open. Okay. Same way, this side also. Towards the center you have to bring it, okay, properly. So it will look somewhat like this. Now this flap, it should not open. If you want, you can fold it towards the center like this so that that flap will not open, or you can leave it also. That this does not make any difference to the boat. I am folding it so that it will tighten up, do not open. Okay. Now this inside out we have to do. So slowly, without from the corners, yeah, rolling the boat inside out. I'm flattening it like this, one side. Okay, so you have got your boat till here. Now inside there is a flap here which we have folded up, that you have to lift up. Okay. Can you see this flap? This flap we have to lift up. Similarly, here also this flap is there. You have to lift up. And then the shape you give proper. This is your canoe boat, the small boat, fishing boat, what is that? Okay, so if the points are not coming with the pencil, you can put like that and make that shape proper. But don't press, the paper will tear much. So your boat is ready.